what is important to accomplish and to hit the target while you're moving and shooting. A lot of schools are teaching stepping in heel to toe manner, but that do not provide enough information. If you step and at the same time immediately you transfer the weight of the body on that step, you'll see a severe bounce. When you touch the ground first and then gradually transfer the weight, there is no bounce, zero disturbance in the sides. Stalking catch step. Touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide.